And shifting focus, after the Parliament cleared the Waqf Amendment Bill, two opposition MPs have taken the matter to the Supreme Court by filing petitions against the bill, arguing that the law is discriminatory towards Muslims. Congress MP Mohammad and AIMIM MP Asaduddin Owaisi have each submitted separate petitions, with both leaders labeling the bill's provisions as a blatant violation of the fundamental rights of Muslims. The bill was cleared in the Rajya Sabha after midnight on Thursday, following an extended discussion. It now awaits the President's assent before it can officially become law. In his petition, Javed, who also serves as the Congress whip in the Lok Sabha and was a member of the Joint Parliamentary Committee on the bill, asserted that the proposed legislation infringes upon several constitutional rights. Specifically, he argued that it violates Article 14, the right to equality, Article 25, freedom to practice religion, Article 26, freedom to manage religious affairs, Article 29, minority rights, and Article 300, Section A, the right to property.
These are on expected lines, and this happened with the triple talaq, also the CAA, NRC, and also Places of Worship Act, and we also seen in the CAA where 235 petitions are pending in the Supreme Court on similar lines. As expected, once the Parliament has passed the very controversial bill, several Muslim organizations and political opposition parties are expected to move the Supreme Court. The trickle has begun. Now there will be a pile-up. Already two petitions have been filed, one by the Congress leader, Congress MP Mohammad, who also happens to be the chief whip in the Lok Sabha and also was significantly part of the JPC in the as far as the Waqf issue is concerned. And as you rightly said, Asaduddin Owaisi, the AIMIM chief, has also moved the Supreme Court challenging the constitutional validity of Waqf Amendment Bill. In fact, the feeling is that it's a very premature step because it has not received the presidential assent. Only then it becomes an act. It's highly unlikely that the petitions will be listed anytime soon. Earlier also, Supreme Court had rejected petitions before the presidential assent. So we'll have to wait and watch what kind of treatment these petitions will get if it is listed on Monday or Tuesday, and because it is challenging the bill. It has not even become an act. And these petitions are saying that it's highly discriminatory towards Muslims because it imposes restrictions which no other religion's endowment is given, and it's a violation of right to freedom, right to manage their own affairs, right to property, and also questions how non-Muslims can be part of the Waqf board or Central Waqf Council, and also a question says that though the bill says that the Waqf by user has been removed, but it will be taking into effect only prospectively, not retrospectively,